The activities such as Guru Purnima, Ashadi Ekadashi, students from their home they are participating, and the parents are also actively supporting them to be the part of these programs. Thank you. With this, I will start with my a short view of what MIT Mines MIT Pune is. As we know, today is the foundation day, that is 5th of August, and as you know, as you know that students today we are celebrating it about the 35th foundation day. It is a day of celebrations with success and achievements. This was founded by Professor Vishwanath Karar sir, and it was started in the 1983. With his collective efforts, and many educationists, scientists, and social thinkers joined him. This was the first engineering college being brought about in Maharashtra by Vishwanath Karar sir, and he took the permissions as in those days only the government institutions were there, the engineering colleges were there, but he started the first engineering college. Moving from here, if we see today, we are nearly having about 63 institutions all over India, where every year 50,000 students are annually coming out from the schools. But at the same time, MIT has excelled in the fields of education and is known today as one of the foremost center of education, learning not only in India but all over the world. For thousands of students, it has been a gateway to the professional excellence. To meet the demand for changing and challenging global environment, MIT offers various academic programs. At the same time, we see that is there are a number of groups. MIT groups are there. The institutions have been running, and they are growing exponentially. In the past 3 years, decades, number of tremendous impacts in the fields of education, and nearly about 10 campuses in the states of Maharashtra, which is covering about thousands of acres of the land. MIT Group is always providing the engineering facilities, education in English, engineering, medical, pharmacy, marine engineering, telecommunication, design and food, technology, business administration, and parliamentary education. Recently, we had been started with the World Peace University also. MIT is MIT's MIT has not stopped closer, but it's trying together to bring about science and spirituality with the intention of establishing the culture of peace in the world. This is a special day when not only the beginning of MIT, it starts with the founder Honorable Professor Vishwanath Karar sir, but also an significant developments in each and every sector. It is the day to celebrate our history and revisit as well as to reconnect with the continuous journey of MIT. We are blessed with such a beautiful surroundings and wonderful facilities being available to us. We honor our founder father, Professor Vishwanath Karar sir, as we reflect on his committees. We are lucky that we are all parts of these great institutions. At the last, I want to say that if you have built castles in the air, your work needs not to be last. That is, wherever they should be, a low part of the founders enters them. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है? थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. All of you, happy MICE Foundation Day. All of you, आपको मेरी तरफ से बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं और हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए भी बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं कि ऐसे दिन ब दिन बढ़ते जाए हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट और ग्रोथ करती जाए. Thank you very much all of you attending the program and assembly. I request all of you to join your periods and leave your assembly. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
आज तक मला नाही तसं दिलं. बरं झालं एक पेपर काल दिवस मारून घेतलं तिथं वाचून घेतलं ते.
मैं बोला लिखेंगे बनाएंगे करेंगे तो डोका लावत होतं तेवढं.
थँक यू व्हेरी मच ऑल ऑफ यू.
मारलं सर कुठं मारत.
एक खुर्चीनं मार, सगळ्या खुर्चीनं मार.
सर कलर नाहीये केलेला.
दाखवा ना मग, फक्त कलर नाही केलं तर. आता यांनी दाखवलंच ना. मला यांनी दाखवलंच ना. आता चेक करून घ्या, तिथे बघून घ्यायचं, तारीख टाकायची, कलरिंग करायचं आणि झाल्यानंतर मला सांगायचंय. चलो देशपांडे, वर्धन, कोणाला सगळे आस्थापवर झाले. अनुष्कोदन जर अश्वजित कांबळे, अथर्व बिलबिले, बालाजी शेरकर आहे, भावेश पाटील
सर
आहे,
दिसतंय
गौरव.
का?
जस्ट वेट मिनिट. ओके. हाँ यस, स्टे एकदम उभं स्टेबल कर कॅमेरा. हा दिसतंय. कलरिंग करत त्याला.
हो सर.
नेक्स्ट कोण आहे अजून? वैष्णवी, वंशिका, सानिकानंद, चलो जल्दी से बताइए, मुझे आगे काम करना है अभी. फिर आपको काम करना पड़ेगा. वो ऐसे मुझे लाइव कैमरा बताना है. आपका कैमरा स्विच ऑन है, कैमरा वर्क करके बताइए मुझे फास्ट. आप स्केच करना है. ओके जल्दी से मुझे जो भी है यूनिफॉर्म में बैठे वाले, आपने ड्राइंग बुक, कर रहे के बेटा मुझे बताइए प्लीज. आपका कुछ आवाज नहीं आ रही, बहुत साइलेंट हो गया आप.
सर किसी भी चीज का कंपोजिशन चलेगा.
मैंने कहा आपको ये कि कोरोना या कोई भी ले चलो, आपको जो पसंद है उस पर करिए.
मैं बताऊं?